Racing just is started. We have Diamond Duchess break quickly at the start, moving up on the outside. Virtual Angel down on the inside. Morning Nasser, Grace Park Boy is done in port. Then next online is Material Ruler. Alongside now is Hyper Franco running by the rail as Kuda. Then comes Manila's Queen. Then next online now is entry number 7, Star of Manila, live in Manila. Royal Perma Aliwalas, lover of all, while inspiring is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Diamond Duchess now takes command by about 2 lengths, and in second, moving up on the outside is Grace Park Boy. Morning Nasser is down on the inside. Third, Virtual Angel comes next. Then comes Manila's Queen. Moving up on the outside now is Material Ruler, is Star of Manila. Then next online is Hyper Franco as Kuda, live in Manila. Maaliwalas, Royal Pair. Then comes Lover of All, while inspiring still racing in 14 tenas they swing for home. We have Diamond Duchess by our length and a half. Grace Park Boy about to throw the challenge on the outside, but it's still Diamond Duchess followed by Grace Park Boy, and final Diamond Duchess, Grace Park Boy, Manila's Queen, Star of Manila, Maaliwalas, as Kuda for your Super 6.